Hey, it's Jude. Jude the Food. Hey guys, Jude the Food Dude. Back with another Jude's Food Review. Reviewing food today. Doing another food review. Eating a pretty cool lunch, I think. I think we got some cool stuff. Actually, sorry, before we did that, I've got some, actually, you know, no, just put the theme music up. Put the theme music up. Jude's Food. And also, reviews it. Okay, alright guys, today we've got our 100 subscriber YouTube play button. This took a while to get here, right? But now we've got it. We've got 100 subscribers. We've got proof of our 100 subscribers. Like, if you don't want to look on YouTube and look at the subscriber count, you can just watch this video and see that we have 100 subscribers if you want. Now, I mean, I might eat this or I might not. I'm not sure whether or not this is better than paper. It's probably not. But I mean, if we've got some seasoning that we can use, yeah. Hold on, raspberry juice. Listen, you know what we can do? We can get juice, douse it in juice, and we will try and eat cardboard. Alright then. Here we go. Juice and cardboard.
Also, no one liked that song. It's still more than 7. I know. So.
Alright then. Yeah, I don't suggest eating cardboard. Even tougher than paper. It's kind of like you just stacked a bunch of paper on top of more paper. Yeah, I mean, I can't even chew this. This isn't going to work out.
So far, I know I got 97%.
Oh, now I've got juice on my lunchbox. My entire life is ruined.